If you are not getting interview calls, your resume might be the problem. Let me show you a tool that can instantly boost your chances. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review a great tool called ResumeUp.ai, an AI-powered resume optimization tools designed to help you get more job interviews by improving your resume for applicant tracking system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on my channel. And if you already did, I really appreciate that. Let's back to this topic. First of all, what is ResumeUp.ai? Okay, ResumeUp.ai is an online platform where you can upload your resume and job description, and AI then analyze your resume and give you a math score based on how well it fit the job posting. It also suggesting specific improvement to increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters and ATS bot. The features you will get with Resume, which is AI Resume Builder, Resume Checker, Resume GPT, and Resume Template. And you can see more than 25 plus best professional ATS resume templates are now available. So if I scroll down, you can see all the template is ready to use. You can just click on use template and you can easily use that. So all are customizable. Okay. So first of all, if you want to use their system, you need to go on get started and create account. But before that, you can see here is the option AI cover letter generator, free cover letter makers. Okay. Also job tracker, track your job application in one place with our job tracker. So that's mean if you submit the proposal, you can track your application. And then the pricing. Here you can see if you want to use that features, you have to pay at least 4.49 per month. But wait. If you see this video description, you will get a link where you will get a cheaper option for lifetime deal. So you can pick these tools for lifetime with one-time single payment. So don't worry, just go to this video description and check that link. Okay, let's back and go the inside of these tools. So you can see I am creating my account with my Gmail address. Let's hit continue, and here it is. Within one click I am in, and you can see build from profile, start from scratch. You can import your LinkedIn profile, you can upload your resume, and they also have the Chrome extension. And if I open that, you can see this called ResumeUp.ai AI Resume Builder, LinkedIn Profile Optimizer. So if you use your LinkedIn profile too many for applying a job, then this extension definitely will help you. So you can easily use that. And here you can see already 714 users are using that, and their rating is 5 out of 5. So definitely you can use that. So this is the great resume builder I ever found. So you can see you can easily create your resume from scratch. You can export your, if you already have the resume, and you can build resume from profile like the LinkedIn. Okay, so for example, if you input the resume from scratch like job title, digital marketer, and skills, Google ads, Facebook ads, and job description, I am a student, mid-level professional, and I just paste the targeting job description, guys. You can use your chatbot called the ChatGPT for writing job description, but for me, I just want to digital marketer, and then I also use the digital marketer on there, and then hit next. And here you can see you need to pick any one the template. For example, I just want to pick anyone that I love. For me, I want to choose very minimal stylist like this. Okay, use that. And here you can see these tools are analyzing my resume, and I just need to upload a photo, give the name, it will automatically input on the field, and you can check the score. And if you want to use that, you need to upgrade that. So I think you can try this one at least one time if you don't have any, you are not getting too many calls from internet. So why I am recommending these tools for you? Because it's easy to use, it will save you a lot of time, because you know a resume is very important things for you for getting the job. So when you apply new job, then you need to modify your resume. Please don't send same resume for all the job posts that you are going to apply. So that's why it will save your time, and it's great for beginner and professional, help with keyword optimize, and you can get the scores. But this not enough, it also has some downside, because it's actually not free. So if you use free, you can definitely use it for free, but there is a limitation. Okay, and AI suggestion may not manual tweaking and doesn't offer design customization. So you just need to stick with the 5 design that you have already. Overall, ResumeUp.ai is an AI powerful tools for anyone who actually love to apply job and who actually looking for job. If you want to improve your resume and increase your chance to getting hired, this is definitely worth trying. I recommend it especially for those targeting competitive role for applying through online job portal. So you can try the ResumeUp.ai for yourself, link in the description. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because it will help me to continue work for this channel. So thank you very much. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.